Hello, I'm coming on today to do another Craspire unboxing. The lovely people at Craspire asked me if I'd like to collaborate with them again, and I've chosen some stuff. It actually wasn't that long ago, but I can't remember what I ordered. So it arrived yesterday, I think. Yes, I think you're going to be seeing this on Monday. I am filming this on Friday. The sun is absolutely glorious and I can't wait to get in the garden and do my theatre train planning in the garden. I'm going to do that in a minute. So I will leave a link to everything down below, and obviously I'll be coming on to do a couple of tutorials. So yes, I have got some metallic markers so that I can decorate my wax seals. So yeah, I thought we'd give those a go because I'm a bit heavy-handed with the gilding wax. So that's that. I've got a lot of weird colours of wax melts left, and I thought, oh, this is quite cute. Oh, this is a lovely little package, and again, everything has come very well wrapped up. So I've got another spoon. I've got quite a few of these now. I've got some more tea lights, which is always very useful. Excuse me. But this is part of this. I think there's 100 white pellets in here. It's come in a little tin, which is a little bit dented, but I can just pop that out. But they come in a little tin, and these are white, 100 white wax melts, or they might actually be clear. I did order white, but they look clear. But I thought if I put some of these in with the colours that are strange, or the dark colours that I don't like, I'd get paler colours. So I should be giving that a go. I got another stamp to add to my collection. I've got a cat kissing butterflies. So that's that. I shall look forward to playing with that, that's for sure. It's nice to have something else. And then I've got some washi tape to add to my growing collection. So Kath S might be interested in this. This looks like it's got a little bit bashed up in delivery, but it has come all the way from China. Yes, it's a little bit bashed, which is a shame, but it's a nice, otherwise it would be a nice presentation box. And I think there are 15 washi tapes. Let's have a look. Take that bit off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we've got like a tealy green one, a brownie one. This is pretty. And look, you can see you get quite a decent amount on there. They feel lovely. And then we've got these kind of like Moroccan tile influenced ones, which is what drew my eye, actually. It's always difficult when you start with a washi tape, isn't it? But let's have a little look. It feels really nice quality. Look at that. I'm liking that, and I've got an idea straight away for what I'm going to do with that. Lovely. And that is about an inch wide, just over an inch, 3 centimetres wide, that one. That's the widest in the pack on that side. I can see a wider one. I liked this because it's like a range of widths. Oh no, this is the same, I think. This looks nice. Very lovely. Nice subtle colours. Yeah, so I should be doing some makes with these. This is nice with flowers. Let's see if I can find the end. It's always difficult, isn't it, when you're starting. There we go. That's got it. It's lovely, 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 lovely. Oh yes, I like that. Very nice subtle colours, and as we're coming into autumn as well, that's lovely. So that's that one. Oh yes, I like this as well. This is like a paisley pattern. Beautiful subtle colours, lovely subtle colours like duck egg blues and teals. Very nice. I'm very pleased with that. So I will be coming on soon to show you some makes that I do with these, and I'm pretty sure there's a discount code for you. I will check that before I upload this video, but thanks again to Craspire for letting me choose some goodies. I will be back soon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye now.